What's up, guys? It's your girl Nishoy, and I'm back with another freaking video. So if it's your first time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and of course drop a comment in the comment section. Turn on your notification bell because it keeps you posted whenever I upload a new video. And in today's video, I'll be doing this fun to not. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, I don't want to make this video too long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the back section. I'm gonna elastic band the back section of my hair, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna section off the front, and then we're gonna part this into some sections. I've already gone in and I've done the back. So I want to do 5 parts here. So hopefully I do it and I do it well. Great enough so I can do what I want to do. So I'm doing 10 parts. If I don't have enough here, I'm gonna use burgundy here. Alright guys, so we're gonna part the hair. We're gonna add our edge control to make it a little bit sleek, and then I'm gonna grab my brush and I'm gonna brush this in. And brush. Oops. Let's see if I can get this a little bit more straight. Alright. So people, so here's what. I was going to voice over this video, but guess what? I was talking in the video and I said, you know what? I'm just gonna speed the video up. I'm gonna allow you guys to watch me create this look. So I'm not gonna do much talking in here. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, like the video, drop a comment in the comment section, and of course follow me on all my social medias at TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and yeah, enjoy the rest of the video.